Namaste bachcho. Today let's start this class with a new chapter number 14, that is part 14, and the name of the chapter is Agar Ped Bhi Chalte Hote. That means if the trees were able to move. So this is a short poem written by Dr. Divik Ramesh, and here the poet, he expresses his happiness through his imagination by telling that it would be nice if the trees were able to move. So we could have dragged it to the places wherever we wanted. So you all know the importance of trees, and it also helps us in various situations like during the rain or when there is too much heat. So we use the trees for different purposes. So let's read this short poem. First we have the part Pravesh, that is lesson introduction. It says, इस कविता में कवि ने अपनी कल्पना से पेड़ों को गतिशील होते हुए दिखाया है. Here the word kalpana means imagination, गतिशील means moving, दिखाया means shown. So the meaning is, in this poem the poet has shown the trees moving with his imagination. अगर पेड़ चल पाते तो हमें कितनी मदद मिलती. That means it would be very helpful if the trees were able to move. कवि ने यही भाव प्रकट किया है. Here भाव means sentiment, प्रकट means expressed. So the poet has expressed his sentiment. Now we have the katin shabd, that is difficult words, and the words are rassi means rope, sustane means late, satati means tortures, कीचड़ means mud, बाढ़ means flood, मज़े means fun. So this was the katin shabd. Now let's read this poem first, and after that we'll discuss the meaning of each and every line. So the poem says, अगर पेड़ भी चलते होते कितने मज़े हमारे होते, बांध तने में उसके रस्सी चाहे जहाँ कहीं ले जाते, जहाँ कभी भी धूप सताती उसके नीचे झट सुस्ताते, जहाँ कहीं वर्षा हो जाती उसके नीचे हम छिप जाते, भूख सताती अगर अचानक तोड़ मधुर फल उसके खाते, आती कीचड़ बाढ़ कहीं तो झट उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाते, अगर पेड़ भी चलते होते कितने मज़े हमारे होते. So this is a short poem, and the name of the poem is Agar Ped Bhi Chalte Hote, and the name of the poet is Dr. Divik Ramesh. Now let's understand the meaning of each and every line. The first one, अगर पेड़ भी चलते होते कितने मज़े हमारे होते. So here the poet says that it would have been really nice if the trees were able to move. बांध तने में उसके रस्सी चाहे जहाँ कहीं ले जाते. Here बांध means to tie, tane means stem. So the poet says that we would have taken it wherever we want by tying the rope to its stem. Next line, जहाँ कहीं भी धूप सताती उसके नीचे झट सुस्ताते. Here the word धूप means sunlight, झट means at once, sustate means take rest. So the meaning is, we would have dragged the tree to the place where the heat bothers us, and we would have rest under the tree. Next line, जहाँ कहीं वर्षा हो जाती उसके नीचे हम छिप जाते. Here varsha means rainy, chip means to hide. So the meaning is that the poet says we would have dragged the tree to the place where it rains and we could stand or hide under it. Next line, भूख सताती अगर अचानक तोड़ मधुर फल उसके खाते. Here भूख means to feel hungry, madhur means sweet. So the meaning is, when suddenly we feel hungry, we would drag it and pluck fruits from it. Next line, आती कीचड़ बाढ़ कहीं तो झट उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाते. Here कीचड़ means mud, बाढ़ means flood, ऊपर means up, and chad means to climb. So the meaning is that where there is flood or mud, we would have dragged it and would have climbed it. Next line, अगर पेड़ भी चलते होते कितने मज़े हमारे होते. So the poet says that it would have been really nice if the trees were able to move. So this poem is an imaginative poem by the poet whose name is Dr. Divik Ramesh. So we have completed the explanation part of this poem. Next we have Shabdarth, means word meanings, and the words are Dhoop, which means sunlight, Chip, hide, Jhat means at once, Madhur means sweet, Sustate means take rest, Kichad means mud, Bhook means hunger, Baad means flood. Next we have the Paryarvachi Shabd. The words are Rassi, which means rope, Paryarvachi Shabd, Rajju, dori. Next one, Kichad means mud, Paryarvachi Shabd, Pank, Daldal. Next one, Madhur, which means sweet, and the Paryarvachi Shabd is Meetha. Next we have the Vilom Shabd, and the words are Chalna means to walk, opposite is Rukna means to stop. Next word is Chadna means to climb, opposite is Utarna to get down. Next word is Bandhna means to tie, opposite is Kholna to untie it. Next one, Upar means up, opposite is Niche, which means down. Dhoop means sunlight, opposite is Chaya, which means shade. Now here you have an activity. The activity is you have to read the poem, record and submit the voice clip in Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.